Getting ready to stow this new dryer here. This little old one out. Unbox this out here. I grabbed a couple things that I know I'm gonna need because these things never, I started to open it. These things never come with cords, cables, so regular 30 amp plug, dryer vent, clamp for around it, or some cable too. I got it unboxed, it's a Whirlpool. This connector here, just like I did this one. Actually, pull this off here. See how this thing works is your wire goes right through there, and then you tighten this screw down on it. I should show you with this one. Wire goes right through there, your bare wire, and this clamps down on it. A little cut there. What I like to do is pull these things out and then just do them separately like this. So what I'll do too is I'll twist this wire around real good and then just stick it through there. Make sure that's backed out as much as you need. The ground wire here. Get it in there, like that. Tighten it up with the flathead. Right, so that thing's just gonna go in here like this. And this little piece is gonna line up with that slot. Okay, it's actually gonna kind of curve around here like that. Okay, now I've got this thing where I want it, right? Just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this cover back on. Screw it in right there. It's actually a pretty cool setup. It's pretty good. Alright, I got the dryer moved into the house here. So what I'm going to do with the other cord, the other end of the cord, is let's pull it off here, and I'm going to run it up through here and wire it in right here. That is a Phillips. Okay, so my green and yellow wire are going to go here, and the brown and blue one are going to go here. Go ahead and loosen these. Actually, it's kind of confirming what I've been saying. Yeah, right, there's the ground. So you're just gonna match these wires. If you can't remember which one's which, just look on the back of this. This is correct. Your two live wires, you got your blue and your brown, and your green and yellow right in the middle. Cut this end down now so I can wire it to the dryer. What I'm gonna do is just put it in there and crimp them down. That way, this plug here, or the screw here, it'll fit on the back of the dryer. So use these channel locks to smash this on there. When I used this, you can use this right there, but when I did it goofed it up pretty bad. So anyway, I like the look of it using this better, so I'll do that with all three. Ready for install. We'll go ahead and go in through here. Wire. See, the brown wire comes down here and the blue one over here. So I'm going to keep with the same color scheme. Go ahead and put these legs on. Leaning this thing back. Goes right in here. Do it on all four. Even. Actually adjust your legs now from the bottom till it's level. Just plastic off. These buttons just pull right off like that. Go around them and put it back. Alright, I leveled it out. Not rocking anymore. There we go.